Stop wasting hours fiddling around with Apollo filters because I'm about to show you how to find leads for any industry, any niche in less than 30 seconds using AI. Look, whether you need SaaS founders, restaurant owners, or left-hand dentists in Nebraska, most lead gen tools will make you play around filter roulette for hours to find those leads. But what if you could just ask for what you want? Like talking to ChatGPT, but for leads. Well, that's exactly what I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you LeadsForge. Okay, so here's LeadsForge. All you wanna do is come here and you'll be able to describe your leads and get as many as you want from more than 500 million lead database. Let's say we want to find startup founders in the US with 10 to 50 employees. It's working. They found more than 10,000 profiles, right? And here you go, you already have 3,000 leads, right? Does that look right? It sure does. You can take a look at everyone here now. Industry, employees, headquarters location in the US, right? Now let's say we don't want SaaS founders. Find me CMOs of content creation companies in the USA with less than 200 employees. And here we have 300 specific leads for that. Now let's say you don't want that. Let's say you don't need to fiddle around with Boolean search, whatever it is, terrible things. Let's say find me marketing agencies that work with e-commerce stores. Senior marketing manager. All of them, right? Let's pick all of them and we're good to go. We got 32,000 leads like that in a second. Someone in Apollo is still fiddling around with the filters. They're sitting like in an airplane cockpit. They pressing all the buttons right here, throttle, right? All of that stuff. And I'm here just telling it, I need these leads, please. And it does like, okay, like what industry, what job titles? I say these ones. It lets me pick. Boom! 32,000 leads, are you insane? Now what you can do is actually enrich those leads for whatever information you want. For example, LinkedIn, maybe work email, both of them, whatever you want, right? Select how many you want to enrich, let's say 10, pay those credits and you'll be able to export them and put them into Salesforce right away. So let's say I want both. Start an enrichment in progress, right? If it's not gonna find anything, it won't charge you the credits. Good to go. And I mean, once it loads, once you have the data, click export, export to Salesforce and just do outreach. Simple as that. So here's everything that happened in like couple of minutes. We found leads for 3 different niches. No technical setup, no filter combinations that make your brain hurt, no manual data enrichment. You just ask it, you get the results and export. This is what lead generation should be about from day one. Lead generation shouldn't be your another 9 to 5, right? You're already doing sales, outreach. I mean, lead generation is part of that. But why does it take so much time, right? So stop making lead generation harder than it needs to be. Just try out LeadsForge. You get 100 free credits. The link is in the description. Just try it out for yourself and you'll see how insane it is.